great that IFS is very popular in psychotherapy now, but it's time to bring it to larger systems and to bring self to leaders in the world, so that, because it's all contagious, parts are contagious, protectors are contagious, and that's why people are at war and they're objectifying each other. But self is also contagious, such that if we can bring more of this collective energy that you've been so good at helping to or finding ways to do, then that'll ripple far wider than the people that we're actually working with directly. So I like doing groups, because there is a point, you can almost feel it during the week if I'm doing a retreat, where that collective self shows up and everybody feels that level of connectedness with each other and the safety of that. It's a very safe feeling, and the degree to which you can be vulnerable and you trust that you can do that without any fear of being judged or attacked or anything. And then it just starts to snowball and becomes more and more. And that collective witness is a good word for it. That collective self makes each person's work that much deeper. It just facilitates. Just like when self shows up in the inner world, the parts start to heal spontaneously. Same thing happens at a group level with people. So that's, again, why I keep doing these kind of group retreats and things like that, and why I share your interest in doing it around collective legacy unburdenings.